Yeah, long time since we vlogged.
And look, our hair is long na. Today, I saw a paper shuriken on TikTok. Here it is.
Okay guys, so in this video I'm gonna show you how to make this really easy tri-blade boomerang.
There you go.
Yeah!
We will try if it's a cup or a bop.
Yeah!
If it's real or if it's not.
If it's cut, or it is gonna go drop!
Where's our ingredients?
For this, we're gonna need scissors.
We need a paper and we will use a scratch paper because we don't want to waste paper and of course scotch tape.
Now, if you are a kid, you make sure that you have a cousin
Yes.
or somebody of a higher age.
Before using
Scissors.
scissors. By the way, speaking of kid,
Yeah?
do you know that Keat is a son of a goat? They called it Keat. You know that?
I'm taking my headphones off. I'm leaving. Goodbye.
Oh, let's go, let's go.
Okay, so we're both gonna try it as usual.
Yes.
We need to test this. If this is cup and they just want views for money.
Oh.
Or if it's for likes or followers.
For
I don't
likes,
know.
yeah.
Kind of
If
fucking
it's
annoying.
real or they're just fooling us.
Yeah. Because some TikToks they are real.
Yeah, because not all you watch and see on the internet is true.
Some of them are not true, but it's just like for memes. Like they're
Yeah.
not like they're just being sarcastic.
Yeah.
Okay.
So when you see it on internet,
Yeah, when
don't
you see,
believe it
when
right
you,
away.
They better give the money.
Get the money. Yeah. So free. Okay, next. Are you done?
Yes, I'm done.
Steps.
Oh, we have to unfold it like this. Okay, look like this, right? So, okay.
What?
Can unfolding.
I'm not done.
Okay, there you go.
And time to cut it.
What if?
Be careful, okay? And when you're cutting, don't do that because you might cut one. So go here.
What is it?
Oh, we have a visitor.
Then?
Okay, we have a live audience.
Oh wait, clean though.
Her mom, say hi.
Hey yo, stop
Hey, yo.
it.
Cut it. In the middle.
Where? Wait, quick, where?
Like this.
Oh, right here.
Yeah, so it's more easy, right?
Wait. Just like this.
Yeah, like that. Your hand, your finger. Be careful, okay?
Right here.
Yeah. But wait, you make it ano pa?
Straight.
Straight.
Okay.
No, just cut it na lang on the line. Make a sharp line. If,
No. Mateo can hear will teach you.
like this, oh.
Hindi ito niya hawakan kita sa bilang.
Not there.
Tamo mo. Oh, here. Hindi ito hawakan ng sa kapatid.
Oh yeah. Listen to her.
Yeah.
She's your mom.
There we go. I cut them. They're not perfect though.
We're done. We cut it on 4.
Yep. Okay, we need to fold them twice. Isn't it already thin?
No, that's fine.
Fold it like
That
this. You fold it again.
and one more.
Copy the cringe cousins. A cringe
One
bro.
down. What do you think? Is it true or it's just
Eh,
egg?
we need to find out.
For you, what do you think lang?
I think this will be false.
It's not real?
Or true, that because it is paper. It's gonna be aerodynamically crafted in the
Whoa.
land of ancient arts. Okay.
So what's your answer? You said yes and no. You
Yes.
said all of the answer. Which one is is more heavier? I mean, if you will choose one, yes or no?
What do you mean?
Kasi yung tanong.
What do you think? Is it real or it's not?
It has to be, right? It has to be.
It has to be real.
Yeah, it's paper.
You want me to help you or no? No,
The last one, yeah.
I'm just kidding.
Okay.
Just last one. Now, let's continue watching.
And after you've taped them down, you want to place
You need to tape them like that. You need to tape them over here. I don't know how to do that.
Did they tape
them.
it?
Yeah, they taped them. I don't think this will work.
Can you? No.
I feel like this is clickbait.
Okay, guys.
I feel like it's a little bit more taller than the other one.
Oh yeah.
The next step is to fold these wingtips, which should look like this when you fold them down.
You do that. I don't know how to
No.
do that.
This one.
How?
Right there.
I don't know. I don't know how short.
Okay.
Oh, nervous. Okay, guys, look. It is done now.
Okay, you want to try it now?
Yes. Imagine if this works, or like if it goes out the window, but like it's too bendy. Okay.
Okay.
Now, how much is 45 degrees?
If this is 190, 180, 90, yeah, like that.
Oh, it didn't work. I need to look it.
Is it going back?
I mean, it is going back, but like how? It's not fast.
Is it working?
Yeah, it is, but like it's not going. It's not going fast
Oh,
enough.
but it's working.
Yeah, but how's not going fast enough?
What? But it's kind of working.
Okay. No.
Oh,
I think it has to be more sturdy.
or it should be like this. Whoa! Whoa.
Hey, no, it is working.
I'll show it on the camera and I will not get scared.
Okay. Oh. That's sick. That's sick. Whoa.
How about this one, the other side?
What the? What are you doing? What is he doing?
What did you do? Mateo.
Yeah.
You
Ow,
see?
I don't get it. I can't.
I have one more. Let's try the harder one. I will do it. Then let's go back here.
Yep, okay.
Okay. And now we're done after
8 hours.
yes. So it's kinda hard this one, but look. Hey. So let's try it upstairs. You think it will work more? It's more nicer.
Yeah.
Yo, bro. 35 to 45 degrees.
Oh, okay. You just threw it.
Like this.
Oh. Yo.
Wow.
Oh, really epic.
I don't know. So what do you think? Is
Yeah,
it real or is it not?
it was real.
Maybe we need a short bond paper lang,
Yeah.
right? So it's not too like that.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it guys. Thank you for watching.
Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and then. Wait, no, no.
Okay, bye guys.
No, no.
Thank you for
No.
watching.
No, don't forget, no.